శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. In this series of reading Adhyatma Ramayana, last week when we have completed the Kishkindha Kandam, and by the grace of God and Guru, we are trying to look at the first part of Sundarakanda. So Sundarakanda is a Upasana Kanda, so it can be meditated upon in Valmiki Ramayana itself. Tato Ravananitaya Sitaya Sitrukarshanaha Iyesha Padamanveshtum Charanacharite Pathi. So with that sloka in Valmiki Ramayana, this Sundarakanda starts. So in Sundarakanda, the name itself is very meditative name. It is not easily understood. Like Balakanda, then we have Ayodhya Kanda, we have Aranya Kanda, we have Kishkindha Kanda. So it is limited, linked to that place in which this Ramayana is happening. But Sundarakanda, it is not related to a place. If it is a place, then it should have been called as Lanka Kanda. So it is neither that. So Sundarakanda, the name of Sundara, who is Sundara? There are lot of arguments about what is Sundara. So Saundarya is about protection. So which protects us, which gives us the ultimate protection is the Sundara Kanda. So in Adhyatma Ramayana, that too, it is Hanumat Pradhana Kanda. So Hanuman, Guru Swarupa, is main character in the whole of Sundarakanda. So Ekasloki Sundarakanda, we will just recite and move on with the Adhyatma Ramayana today. Dhrutva Sagaralanghanam Hanumato Lankamadotsaranam Tatrasokavane Sita Cha Marganam Atha Sri Janaki Darsanam. So Tatra Asokavane Marganam searching, and Atha Sita Sri Janaki Darsanam Ramakshema Nivedanam Vanatar Pradhamsanam Samyuge Rakshas Samhananam Puri Dahanam Ramayane Sundaram. So in the Ramayana, these are all the activities are known as Sundarakanda. So what will happen is the story is well known. So with that thing, Sri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama, Sri Hanuman Jaya Hanuman Jaya Jaya Hanuman. So Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Adhyatma Ramayana, Sundarakanda, Prathama Sarga. So Sundarakanda in Adhyatma Ramayana has 5 sargas. So in the first sarga is about the Hanuma's flight to Lanka. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Satayojana Vistirnam Samudram Makaralayam Lilangha Ishu Ananda Sandoho Marutatmajaha. So the situation of Ananda Sandoho Marutatmaja, the son of wind god, is Ananda Sandoho. He is already in his happiness. He started to cross. Dhyatva Ramam Paratmanamidam Vachanamabravit Pasyantu Vanarah Sarve Gachantam Mam Vivahayasau. So Dhyatva Ramam, by meditating on Rama, Paratmanam Idam Vachanam Abramit Pasyantu Vanarah Sarve Gachantam Mam Vihayasa. Amogham Rama Nirmuktam Mahabanamivakhilaha Pasyamyadyaiva Ramasya Patnim Janakam Nandinem Krutarthoham Punah Pasyami Raghavam Prana prayana samaye yasya nama sakrut smaran. So I will be accomplished by seeing Rama's wife there and coming back and seeing Rama. So having sent by Rama, like an arrow, I will get there, I will see the Janakanandana there, and Patnim Janakanandinim Krutarthoham Punah Pasyami Raghavam Pranaprayana Samaye Yasya Nama Sakrut Smaran. So while leaving the body, whose name has to be recited, Rama, I will come back and see him. Tameva Hrudayadhyatva Langhayam Yala Alpavaridhim Ityuktva Hanuman Bahu Prasarya Yata Valadhihi Rujugrivo Urdhvadrushti Sannakunchita Padadvayaha Dakshinabhimukosturnam Puplave Anila Vikramaha. So with straight neck, Rujugrivo, Urdhvadrushtihi, seeing onto the top. This is the again sadhana. Rujugrivo, Urdhvadrushtihi, Sannakunchita Padadvayaha. One Akunchita, so he has starting to jump. So he is in a posture where Kunchita Padadvaya, Dakshinabhimukasturnam, so facing south, so to jump or go to the Anila Vikramaha. So the rest of the narration is simple, but there are few things which we have to consider understanding the things. So as he starts his journey, gods wanted to test his ability and they will send a Surasa. Surasa comes as a Vigna, as an obstacle, the divine obstacle, and cuts a discussion with Hanuman, saying that I am hungry, gods have given me as food for me, so I will eat you. I am Surasa. She introduces herself and saying that I have to eat you. Then he says, I am on a job, I will go finish my job and come and become your food. If gods have offered me as your food, I will do that. She says, no, I am hungry, you have to enter my mouth. Then there is a discussion which happens. She opens her mouth, Hanuman becomes big enough to not fit. She opens her mouth further bigger. Like that, multiple times she opens, Hanuman will become bigger. And suddenly he will become very small, enters the mouth, comes back saying that, yes, I have fulfilled your desire, I have entered your mouth, came back. So now let me go, I am going on the work of Rama. So she says, yes, good, you have passed the test, and he keeps moving. There is a second Vigna or second stoppage comes with Mainaka Parvata coming up, saying that you can take rest and go. Mainakam Ityuktvaya, I am Mainaka, so I have a great this thing, you can come here, have some food. Then actually Hanuman says a sloka, Gacchato Ramakaryartham Bhakshanam me katham bhavet Vishramo va katham me syat Gantavyam tvaritam maya. So I am on a vrata, I am on a task. So there is no stopping for Gacchato Ramakaryartham Bhakshanam me katham bhavet, where I will sit and eat now. Vishramo, taking rest, is also not of current thing. I should not be doing, I have to just accomplish the task. So I am going on there. So kathamya syat gantavyam tvaritam maya. So I have to go finish my work. Ityuktva sprushta sikharaha. So he is inviting, Mainaka is inviting, he is not saying no. So to just accept that, touch the sikhara, prushta sikhara. Karagrena yayau kapihi kinchud dhuram gatasyasya chayam chayagraho bhavit. So he moves on without stopping, saying this to Mainaka. And as he goes to the further, there is one Simhika who can catch hold of the chaya, the shadow, and pull. So his speed will drastically reduce. He will see what is happening, who is pulling me. He figures out that there is a Rakshasi Simhika who has the ability to pull by the shadow itself, and he quickly gets into and kicks her with the legs itself. He will kill her. Then again with the same speed he picks up the speed from there coming out of water. He continues his journey. Then he enters, as he enters the Trikuta Parvata, then he sees the Lanka. Pravishyantam Hanumatam Društva Lanka Vyatarjet. So as he enters Lanka, the Lankini, the personified form of Lanka, Lankini, Vyatarjet. Kastvam Vanara Rupena Mamanadrutya Lankinim. So without looking at me, you are trying to enter. Pravishya Choravadраtrau Kim Bhavan Kartumichati. Like a thief, you are entering, trying to enter into this Lanka like a thief. What are you trying to do here? Yutyuktva Rosha Tamrakshi Padena Bhijaganatam. So she kicked Hanuman with Pada, with her leg. Hanumana Pitam Vama Mushti. Hanuman has taken his left fist, Vama fist, Mushti Vanajnaya Hanat Tadhaiva Patita Bhumau Raktamudyatmati Bhrusham. With one hit with the left fist, she falls on the floor. Puraham, she gets up. Utthaya Prahasa Lanka Hanumantam Mahabalam. Hanuman Gacha Bhadrante Jita Lanka Tvayanakha. So Lanka has been won by you. Puraham Brahmana Prokta Heshtavimsati Paryaye Treta Yuge Dasarathi Ramo Narayano Vyayaha. In 28th Paryaya, Rama Narayana Avyayaha Janishyate Yogamaya Sita Janakaveshmani. So once Brahma told me this. So Brahma told me that in 28th Treta Yuga, Dasarathi Namo Narayano Avyayaha Janishyate Yogamaya Sita Janakaveshmani Bhubharaharanarthaya Pradhitoyam Maya Kvachit. So by my request, he will come down there. Sabharyo Raghavo Bhrata Gamishyati Mahavanam Tatra Sitam Mahamayam Ravano Apaharishyati. So Ravana will abduct Sita from there. Paschad Ramena Sachivyam Sugrivasya Bhavishyati. Then Rama will become friends with Sugriva. Sugrivo Janakim Drashtum Vanaran Preshayishyati. So Sugriva will send Vanaras to search for Sita. Tatreko Vanaro Ratra Vagimashyati Tentikam Tvayacha Bhartritassopi Tvam Hanishyati Mushtina. So he will come and hit you with his fist. Tenahata Tvam Yadhita Bhavishyati Yadanakhe Tadaiva Ravanasyanto Bhavishyati Nasamseyaha. At that time Ravana's end will come. Tasmat Tvaya Jita Lankam Jitam Sarvam Tvayanaghaha. Now you have done that with your fist, you have won me. Ravanantapure Kreda Kananamuttamam. So Ravana Antapura is sitting there. Tanmadhye Asokavanina Divyapadapa Sankula. In that place, in the Asokavana, Divya Padapa with great Padapas with great trees, Sankula, Asti Tasyam Mahavruksha Simsupa Nama Madhyakaha. There is a named tree called Simsupa Vruksha. Tasyam Mahavruksha Simsupa Nama Madhyakaha. In that middle of there, Tatraste Janaki Ghora Rakshasi Bhi Surakshita Drushteva Gacha Tvaritam Raghavaya Nivedaya. So go and look at Sita. Then you go back and describe this to Raghava. Dhanyaham Pyadya Chiraya Raghavaha Smrutir Mamasi Bhavapasa Mochani Tadbhakta Sango Pyatidurlabho Mama Prasidatam Dasarathis Sada Hrudhi. So by your one fist hit of your fist, now Raghava Smriti I have got. I have now reminded of the Raghava Narayana. So Dhanya Hamadyatvam Pyachiraya Raghavaha. So for long I forgot. That now I have Smrutir Mamasid Bhava Pasa Mochani. That remembrance of Raghava is destroyer which can remove the Bhava Pacha Mochani. Tvad Bhakta Sango. But this association with Rama's Bhakta Sangha, connection with Rama's Bhakta Sango, api ati durlabho mamaha prasidatam dasarathihi sada hrudi. So let Dasarathi be always be in my heart. All this is being told by Lankini to Hanuman. Ullangitebdhau pavanatmajena dharasutayascha dasananasya Puspora Vamakshi Bhujascha Tivram Ramasya Dakshanga Matindriyasya. So this is a bit of Shakuna Shastra, this one sloka. So for as he completed crossing over this Lankini, Ullangite Abdhau Pavanatmajena. By this Pavanatmaja, Ullangita Abdhau, Abdi, the ocean has been crossed. Dharasutayascha Dasyananascha. For Dharasuta, which is Sita, daughter of earth, and Dasyananasya, the 10-faced Ravana, Puspora Vamakshi Bhujascha Tivram. There is a spora, means vibration has come on the left eye and left hand. They have vibrated. But at the same time, for a Rama on the right eye. So the left eye, left shoulder is good. The sporana, the beating of it, or automatic vibration coming in there. Puspora, Vamakshi Bhujascha, Tivram, very evidently knowing with a knowable, recognizable thing, it has done that Adaradam. So it is the Puspora. Then at the same time, right is good for male. So what has happened? Left is good for Sita, left is bad for Ravana, and right is good for Rama. So these three people, they have got an indication of something is happening good or bad accordingly with this Shakuna. Shakuna is, it is an indicator what is going to happen in future. So in the Shakuna Shastra, the eye, throbbing of the eye and shoulder, right, left for male, and male its right is good, female it is left is good. So it is not a Moodhanambika or whatever it is very much there in the Adhyatma Ramayana and Ramayana. So in the second Sarga, so with that indicative thing, first Sarga comes to an end. Then in the second Sarga, Hanuma's search and Ravana meeting Sita, and there is a Ninda Stuti of Ravana doing of Rama. That we will go through now. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Tato Jagama Hanuman Lankam Paramasobhanam Ratrau Sokshma Tanutputva Bhabrama Paritah Purim. So he started searching Hanuman in the night. Sitanveshana Karyardhi Pravivesan Rupalayam Tatra Sarva Pradesheshu Vichistva Hanuman Kapihi Napasyat Janakim Srutva Tato Lankabhibhashitam Jagama Hanuman Srigham Sokavanikam Subhan. Then he searched everywhere. Then he went to the Asokavana, not found anywhere in the buildings. He went into the Asokavana, Asokavanikam Subham. So he first started searching in the buildings. So he searched, not found, then went to Asokavanikam Subham. Even Sampati said she is in Asokavana. But where is Asokavana, he should figure out. So when he has gone, he started searching different places and finally reached Asokavanikam Subham. Surapadapa Sambandham Ratnapa Sopana Vapikam Nanapakshim Mruga Kirnam Swarna Prasada Sobhitam. So it is the description of that Asokavana. It is very well built. It is having all different kinds of great trees, plants, Nana Pakshim Rogakirnam. So there are different kinds of birds and animals are there in that. Swarna Prasada Sobhitam. So there are golden prasadas are built for the people to live. It is like a forest resort of Ravana. Phalainamra Shakhagrapadapai Parivaritam. So all the fruits are hanging down with that weight. The branches are bent. Dadashabhritam Tatra Chaitra Prasadamuttamam. So Chaitya Prasadamuttamam Drushtva Vismayapanno Manistambha Vishanvitam. So he has seen a big, great prasada with gemstone built stambhas, the pillars of gemstones. Samatitya Punargatva Kinchiddoram Samarutihi Dadarsa Simsupa Vruksham Atyanta Nibadachadam. So again he further gone looking at all these different things and found this Sinsupa Vriksha. Adrushta Tapamakirnam Swarna Parna Vihangamam Tanmule Rakshasi Madhye Stitam Janakanandini. So surrounded by Rakshasis, he has seen the Janakanandini. Dadarsa Hanuman Viro Devatamiva Bhutale Ekavenim Krusham Dinam Malinambaradharinim Bhumau Shayanam Shochantim Rama Rameti Bhashinim Trataram Nadhigachantim Upavasa Krusham Subham. So Krusham, who is only Ekaveni, wearing only one piece clothing. Bhumau Shayanam, on the floor, sleeping on the floor. Sochantim Rama Rameti, thinking of Rama Rama. Bhashitim, so talking only, telling only Rama Rama. Trataram Nadhigachantim, so Janakanandinim. So she is not finding anybody who will save her. Trataram Nadhigachantim, Upavasa Krusam, so not eating food properly. So Upavasa Krusam, she has weakened by the continuous Upavasas. Shubham, but very auspicious, look auspiciously seen. Sakhanta Shadamadhyasto Dadarsa Kapikunjaraha Krutarthoham Društva Janakanandinim. So having hidden in the Sakharthas in between the branches of this tree, Hanuman started thinking, Krutarthoham, I have accomplished, I have Krutarthoham Društva Janakanandinim, I have seen Janakanandini. So he has got the darsana of Janakanandini. Mayaiva sadhitam karyam Ramasya Paramatmanaha tatah kilakila shabdo bhabhuvantar anthapurat bahihi. So I have now accomplished, I have achieved Rama karyam as he thinking. There is kilakila shabdo bhabhuva. So some sounds started coming from the Anthapura. Kimetaditi samlino vrukshapatreshu marutihi ayantam ravanam tatra srijanai parivaristam. So what is this he wanted to see? As he started seeing Ravana approaching along with all his Strijanair parivartitam, all his wives, all his retinue of Strijanaha, women of him are following him. Parivaritam, around, surrounded by him. Dasasyam vinchati bhujam. So 10 faces, 20 hands. Nilanjanachayopamam, like a dark mountain, like a mountain which is dark. Društva Vismayapanna Patrashandeshvaliyataha. By seeing him, Hanuman hid himself in behind the leaves. Ravano Raghavenasu Maranam me kadham bhavet. Ravana is Raghavenasu Maranam me kadham bhavet. How this Rama will Setarthamapi nayati Rama king karanam bhavet. So I have abducted this Sita, kept her here. Why Raghava is not coming and killing me? Ityevan chintayan nityam. Like that he is thinking daily. Rama eva sadahrudi. He is thinking about Rama in the heart with fear. When will he come and kill me? So with that fear, Sitartha तस्मिन् दिने परौरात्रो रावणो राक्षसाधिपः स्वप्ने रामेण सन्दिष्टा कश्चिदागत्य वानरः. So he has seen a dream as one vanara coming. Kamarupadhara sukshmo vrukshagasthonupasyati. So he has seen a vanara in the dream. So seeing a monkey in the dream is a bad omen. So seeing that कामरूपधर इति दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं स्वप्नं स्वात्मन्येवानुचिन्त्य सः स्वप्नः कदाचित् सत्यः स्यादेवं तत्र करोम्यहम्. So probably this swapna is true. So some vanara has come. So what I will do now is Janakim vakcharitva dukhitam niratamaham. So I will go to this Janaki. I will make her weep with my speech. Karomi drashtva ramaya nivedatu vanaraha. So that vanara who has come, he will see and he will go and tell this to Raghava. So that Raghava will come and kill me. Ityeva chintanam sitam samipagata dhrutam nupuranam kinkininam srutva sinjitamanganam. So with all his nupuras, kinkinis, so all his ornaments, they are making sounds. He went there. Sita bhita liyamana smatmaneva sumadhyama adho mukhya asrunayana sthita ramarpitantara. So Sita's situation is explained. Sita bhita liyamana. Sita, who is afraid, bhita, liyamana swatmanyeva, who has merged in her own atma, swatmanyeva sumadhyama, having a good middle part. Adho mukhya srunayana, so who has made her face adho mukha, towards the earth, asrunayana, with eyes filled with water, tears, sthita ramarpitantara. Inward she has given everything to Rama. Rama arpita antara. Her heart is given to Rama. Sthita. She is established there. Ravano api tada sitam alokyaha sumadhyame. Ravana came, said, he started saying, this is a Ninda Stuti. It looks like Ninda of Rama, and also there is a Stuti inside there. So we will go through some slokas. This is the Ravana's version of Rama Stuti. Ninda Stuti. Mam drushtva kim vruddha subhru swatmanyeva viliyase. Having seen me, kim vruddha, why wasting your swatmanyeva viliyase, you are merging in your own atma. So, or why you are feeling shy. Ramo vanacharanam hi madhye tishtati sanujaha. Ramo vanacharanam hi, those people who go in the vanacharas, madhye tishtati sanujaha. One way vanaras, he is with vanaras. Other way vanacharas are rishis. Rama is sitting with rishis, that is the stuti. Ninda is Ramo vanacharanam hi madhye tishtati, he is with monkeys. Kadachit drusyate kaschit, kadachit naiva drusyate. Sometimes he is seen, sometimes he is not seen. So sometimes even by this tapasvis, some of the tapasvis with dhyana and samadhi, he is seen. Some of the people cannot see him, even with dhyana. Mayatu bahudha loka preshitastasya darsane napasyanti priyatnena vekshmana samantataha. Mayatu bahudha loka. Mayatu, by me, I have sent so many people to all the lokas to see him. Preshitastasya darsane. So I have sent my people to see where he is. Napasyanti priyatnena. So they can't see him. With all the effort also they are not able to see him. Vekshamana samantataha. Even with all the effort they are putting, they are not able to see. These are the indriyas. So he is, if we look at yoga side, from a yoga's perspective, with indriyas you search, you will not see Rama. So even though Ravana is trying to see Rama, he is not with his indriya. He is always linked to the indriyas. Preshyamana. Kim karishyasi ramena nispruhena thadatvayi. So what will you do? Who is nispruha? Who cannot be found? Who cannot be easily found. Sada tvayi. Tvaya sadalingitopi samipisthopi sarvada. So you are always embracing him. Even you are very near to him. Even then, api sarvada nispruhena. He will not care for you. He is not caring for you. Hrudayasya cha snehastvayi ramasya jayate. So in the heart, you are very attached to Rama. Tatkruta sarvabhogamsya twadgunanapi raghavaha. So he is not getting attached to your gunas, your qualities. Tvatkrutan sarvabhoganscha. So by you made all the bhogas, still twadgunanapi raghavaha. He is not snehastvayi ramasya jayate. So even though you have offered everything to Rama, Rama is not getting attached to them. Means Rama is not getting attached to anything of the Maya. That is the yoga side. Stuti. Ninda is Rama is not interested in you. Bhujanopi najanati krutagno nirguno dhamaha. So he is, even though he is enjoying, he is forgetting. Krutagno. All his actions are become nullified. Krutagno. That is the yoga. He is krutagna. He is not remembered of your whatever you have done to him. So he is not coming here. Nirguno, he is not having any gunas. Athamaha. Dhamaha, dhama, athamaha. Dhama, not been born by anybody. Tvamanita maya sadhve dukkha soka samakula. So I have got you here. Anyway, he is not caring for you, so I got here. Idani pinayati bhakti hina katham vrajet. So even after I abducted you, brought you here, he didn't come all the way here. He has not come yet here. Nissatvo nirmamo manimbu modha pandita manavan. So one way, these are all nindas. Nissatvo, not having any abilities. Nissatvo, in yogic manner, he is not seen in this sattva, means in this visibility, he is not seen. Nirmamo, not attached, not having any mamakara. Mani, one who has above all these things. Mudhaha, Pandita Manavan. So, Panditas, one who knows him only will respect him. Otherwise, and the Ninda is, he thinks he is Pandita. Naradhamam tvad kim karishyasi bhamini tvayativa samasaktam mam bhajas swasurodtamam. Naradhamam. He is all naras are adhamas. If you put naradhamam as naras are adhamas for him, he is superior to. Or if you look at naradhamam with adodatta, antodattas, if you put the word a little this side, that side, it will become he is a adhama in naras. So he is a useless human fellow. Tvad vimukham, who is not interested in you. Kim karishyasi bhamini. What will you do with him? Leave him, tvayativa samasaktam, mam bhajasva aturottam. So he is saying, you leave him and reach me, come mam bhajasva. So you take me. Then what will happen? Deva gandharva naganam yakshakinnarayoshitam bhavishyati niyoktriitvam yadimam pratipadyase. So if you accept my proposal, all these ladies here, they are devas, gandharva, naga, yaksha, kinnarayoshitam, all these different types of women are with him. So all these will become your servants. Bhavishyasi niyoktritvam, you will be the leader of all this. Mam pratipadyase. So he is offering a role for her, a superior role about all his wives. Ravanasya vachasrutva Sita marshasamanvita uvacha adhomukhi bhutva nidhaya trunamantare. So being a pativrata, she will not speak to any parapurusha. So she puts a trunam in between, a grass piece in between, and starts talking. Rutavanasi mam nichaha tatpalam prapyase Ragavad bhibhyata anunam bhikshurupam tvayadhrutam. You are afraid of Raghava, so you have taken a bhikshurupam, like a sannyasi you came. Rahite Raghavabhyantam suniva haviradhvare. Like a dog taking the purodasha from a yajna, like that you just lifted me up from there. Ratavanasimam nichaha, being such a nichaha, low-end fellow, tatphalam prapyase chirat. Such a action you have done, this result you will get achirat, not very far. Quickly you will get it. Yada Raghava Saraghata Vidarata Punarbhavan. So Raghava Sara, his arrow will come and hit you. You will Jnasyase Manusham Ramam Gamishyati Yamantikam. So that Manusha, that Ramam, you will know him and you will go. By the time you know him, you will go to Yamantikam. You will reach your end. Samudram Soshayitva va Sarairbadhvadhavarithim. Either he will make the ocean dry, or he will Sarairbadhva Suvaritham. By his arrows he will build a bridge. Antum Tvam Samare Ramo Lakshmanena Saminvata. He will come and fight with you and kill you. Agamishyatyasandeho drakshase rakshasadhama. Oh, lowest of all rakshasas, he will come and kill you. Tvam saputram sahabalam hatvaneshyati mampuram. By saputram, with your sons, sabalam, with all your sainya, all your army. Lakshmanena samanvita saputra hanishyati, hatva, killing you, neshyati mampuram. He will take me to his place. Srutva rakshapati krudho janakya parushaksharam. Vakyam krodha samavishta kadvamudyutya satvaraha hantum janakarajasya tanayam tamralochanaha. So he became very angry, pulled out his khadgam, knife from that, and he said, I will kill her. Mandodarim nivaryaha patim patihite rataha. Mandodari, his wife, main wife, Mandodari, nivaryaha, she stopped him. Patim patihite rata tyajainam manushim dinam dukkhitam krupanam krusham. So a human woman, leave her. She is already dina. She is krupanam, krusham, not having any physical energy, not having. Why do you kill her? Deva Gandharva Naganam Bahvasanti Varanganaha. Deva, Gandharva, Naga, all these different Bahva, so many Varanganas are there with you. Tvameva Varayantyuchair Madamatta Vilochanaha. They are very much interested in you. Madamatta Vilochanaha. So you go and enjoy with them. Why are you interested in this girl who is Krupana, Dina? She is not having any energy, not having any hope. Tatrobar dasagrivo rakshasir vikrutanaha yadhame vasaga sita bhavishyati sakamana yatadhvam tvaritam tajjanad aranad abhihi. So somehow he looks at his rakshasis, his servants, somehow make her agree to my proposal. She vasaga sita sakamana. With proper desire, she should approach me. Somehow you make her do it. Dvimasabhyantare seta yadime vasaga bhavet. So in 2 months' time, I will give her. If she turns towards me, tada sarvasukhopeta rajyam bhokshati samaya. Then she will become a queen and she will enjoy the rajyam with me. Yadi ma sadvayad urdhvam machyayam nabhinandati, machyayam nabhinandati, tadame pratarasaya hatva kurusha manushim. So anyway, he is a Rakshasa. He is saying, okay, if she is not agreeing to the proposal, on that next day after 2 months, you cook her for me for breakfast. Ityuktva prayayau stribhihi ravano antapuralayam rakshasyo janaki metya bheshayantya swatarjanaihi. Tatraika janaki mabha yavanam te vrudhagatam ravanena samasadya saphalam tu bhavishyati. So all his, then he went back saying this, giving this order to his people. Then all those people got onto the job. They started giving her counseling to accept the proposal of Ravana. Aparachaha kopena kim vilambena janaki. So other Rakshasas started threatening her. Some are giving this thing, Anyatu khadgamutyujya janakim hantu mudyata, I will kill her. Evam tvam bhetayam trisha So different ways they started trying to convince her. Nabhishayadhvam rudantim namaskuruta janakim idaniva me swapne. So they Srunudhvam druksharakshasyo de nivarya trijata vruddha rakshasi vakyam abravit. There is a rakshasi, vruddha rakshasi known as Trijata Swapnam. So this is a very important. And Trijata also got a dream. She is saying that Vakyam abravit. Srunudhvam drushto rakshasyo. Oh, bad rakshasis, listen to me. Madvakyam vo hitam bhavet. So listen to me, what is good for you. Nabhishayadhvam rudantim namaskuruta janakim. Don't try to make her sad, further sad. Idanimeva me swapne Ramah Kamalalochanaha. I have seen one dream. I have seen Rama there. Aruhya Airavatam Subhram Lakshmanena Samagataha. Coming on a Airavatam, white elephant. Subhram Lakshmanena Samagataha. Dagdva Lankapurim Sarvam Hatva Ravanamahave. So he burnt all the Lanka and killed Ravana. Aropya Janakim Swante Sthito Drushtogamurthani Ravano Gomaye Rade Tailabhyakto Digambaraha. So I have seen Ravana who is smeared with Taila of gingerly oil and Digambaraha without dress, and he is fell in Gomaya Rade. He is fell in a ditch filled with Gomayam, the cow dung. So Agahatuttu tapaustraischa kratva Vadanamalikam Vibhishanastu Ramasya Sannidhau Hrushtamanasaha. I have seen Vibhishana along with Rama. Sevang karoti Ramasya Padayor Bhakti Samyutaha Sarvadha Ravanam Ramo Hatva Sakula Manjasau. Vibhishanaya Adhipatyam Datva Sitam Subhananam Lanke Nidhaya Swapurim Gamishyati Nasamsayaha. So by this dream, I realized that at this time, getting a dream like this, seeing in the dream these different aspects, how Rama I have seen, how Ravana I have seen, this Lanka is going to be won by Rama. Trijataya vachasrutva bhetasta rakshasasthiriyaha. So listening to this Trijata Swapna, those Rakshasa became tushnim, they became silent. They became afraid and they became silent. Tarjita Rakshasi Bhissa Sita Bhetati Vihvala Trataram Nadhigachantim Dukkhena Parimurchita Asrubhipurna Niyana Chintayanti Vamadbrabit Prabhate Bhakshayantyasi Rakshasyo Mam Nasamsayaha Idanimeva Maranam Kyunopayana Me Bhavet Evam Sudukkhena Pariplutasa Vimukta Kantam Rudati Chiraya Alambya Shakham Krutanischayam Rutau Na Janaki Kanchidupaya Mangana. So what I have, what options I have, they will eat me. So Janaki's situation is she is at the lowest of her spirits. So what should I do? In what way I may die? So anyway they are going to kill me, what should I do? So this is the end of second sarga. So in that we have seen the Ravana's mentality. Ravana, one side he knows in the sense at least he has all the indications that he has done the wrong thing. He don't want to turn from there. He is almost certain that Raghava will come, he is more powerful, he will win. Still he don't want to give up. He has his all Rakshasas qualities. So one side, so these Rakshasas qualities, if you can see, there is Surpanakha. She goes and says, Rama, I want you, let us enjoy. Then Rama will not accept that proposal. So she sees Sita as an obstacle for that her desire, and she wants to eat Sita away, to remove that obstacle, to enjoy with Rama, because she is desiring Rama. Same thing reverse here. So Ravana So Rama says, no, nothing doing. Again, Ravana again he comes. Exactly the same. You enjoy with me because anyway that fellow is useless, he is not coming. But Sita is not interested in any such proposal. She is very much saying that, but again he will say, you all of you convince her and I will kill her, I will eat her, all these things. So where the desire is impossible to be fulfilled, that is the Rakshasa Kamana. So there is no way you can fulfill that desire. You know that it is unfulfillable desire. Still that desire is not given up by the Rakshasa. That takes the Rakshasa to the end. So the two incidents, a Rakshasi is going and proposing the same thing to Rama, who is sister of Ravana. Ravana proposing the same thing to Sita. Both are on the wrong side of these proposals. So we will get into the Tritiya Sarga in the Sita Hanuma Sambhashanam. Very Hanuman's version of Hanuman's speaking to Sita will come in here. Quickly go into this. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Udbandhanena va mokshe sariram raghavam vina jivitena phalam kim swan mama rakshodhi madhyamata. Dirghaveni mamatyartham mudbandhaya bhavishyati evam nischita buddhim tam maranayudha janakim. Maranayudha Janakim. So Janaki has thought that, okay, anyway these people are going to kill me, so I have a long hair, so this let me use this hair to hang myself up. Sad thought. Vilokya Hanuman kinchit vicharyai tadabhashataha sene sukshma rupo janakya srotagam vachaha. Here where the Guru's vachana will come. So Guru Hanuman, everybody will be in the fear. I want to die, somebody is going to kill me. So first Sugriva is in that mode. He says, no, 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 and he makes Rama friend to him. Then again Angada says, I am all given up, I will die. He says, no, 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 you do something. So he directs. Now Sita is in a position that she has given up all the hope, will die. Now Hanuman has to take a model of what to do, how to stop her. So he starts singing Ramayana. Ikshvaku vamsa sambhuto raja dasaratho mahan ayodhyadipatistasya chatvaro loka vishrutaha putradeva samas sarve lakshanairupa ramascha lakshmanaschaiva bharataschaiva shatruhaha jyeshtho ramah piturvakyad dandakaranyamagataha Lakshmanena saha bhratra sitaya bharyaya saha uvasa gautami tire panchavatyam mahamanaha tatra nita mahabhaga sita janakanandini rahite ramachandrena ravanena duratmana tato ramati dukkhartho margamano dhajanakim jatayusham pakshirajam apapasyat pratitam bhuvi Tasmai datvadisham divam chighram rushyamukasmupagamat sugrivena kruta maitri ramasya viditatmanaha tadbharya harinam hatva valinam raghunandanaha rajyebhishitya sugrivam mitrakaryam chakarasaha sugrivastu samanaya vanaran vanaraprabhu Preshayamasa parito vanaran parimargane Sitayastatra chaikoham sugriva sachivo hari Sampati vachanaschigramullangya satayojanam samudram nagarim lankan vichinvan janakim subham Senairakshoka-vanikam vichinvan simsupaturam tarum adraksham janakim atra sochantim dukkha samplutam Ramasya mahishim devim krutakrityo hamagataha yutyukto param ramathaha marutir buddhimat mattaraha. So with these slokas, he slowly started with low voice singing the Ramayana. He started with Dasharatha's son Rama. He has come here. Then he started explaining. Sugriva made a friendship with him. Then Rama killed Vali. Sugriva has been placed in the throne. Then Sugriva asked all of us to go. I am one of them, came here. I came here now. I have seen Sita. By seeing this Sita, I have been fulfilled. Like that, he started slowly telling. Listening to this, Sita kramena tatsarvam srutva vismayamayayo kimidam me srutam vyomni vayuna samudiritam. From space, from the air, I am getting something. Is the wind singing this? Is the wind saying, Swapno me vame manobhrantir yadiva satyameva tat. Is it a dream? I am listening this. Is it a bhranti? Am I deluded? Tat nidrame nasti dukkhena janat kemat kuto brahmaha. So I have never slept. So where that I can dream? So this is not dream. Yename karna piyusham vachanam samudiratam na drusyatam mahabhagaha priyavadi samagrataha. Priyavadi mamagrataha. So somebody is telling karna piyusham, nectar to my ears, something which I want to hear. So nobody will tell about Rama, right? So why he is not coming in front of me? Srutva tad Janaki vakyam Hanumat patrashandataha avatirya sanaihi Sita prutah samavasthitaha. So having heard these words, so she telling this, why he is not coming in front of me? Slowly from behind the leaves he came out. Kalavinka pramanango raktasya pitavanaraha sasama shanakais sitam pranjalih pratastitaha. Is like a cat this much. So he came and he is wearing his dress. Drishtantvam Janaki Bhita Ravanana Kalavinkama Prana Pitavanaraha Sasama Sanakai Pititam Pranjali Protastataha. So with Pranjali he came with a folded hands, he comes forward. So Drishtvam Tam Janaki Bheta Ravanopamupagamatāha Mam Mohayitu Mayato Mayaya Vanarakrutihi. Maybe this is Ravana only. He would have taken a Vanarakriti and came here. Ityevam Chintayitvasa Tushni Masi Adhomukhi. Then again she became calm and became Adhomukhi. She is not looking at him. The moment she is Adhomukhi, she is not interested. So she to see or look or talk or do any transaction. Punarapyahatam Sitam Devi Yatvam Vishankase. So Hanuman understood she has got a doubt in him. Naham tathavido mata cheja sankam maistitam dasoham Kosalayandrasya Ramasya Paramatmanaha. Give up your doubt, mother, Mata. I am not like that, Mata. I am cheja sankam mai. In me, whatever doubt you have, you can leave it. Dasoham Kosalayandrasya. I am a dasa. I am a messenger. Dasa. I am a servant of Kosalayandrasya. Ramasya Paramatmanaha. Sachivoham Harindrasya Sugrivasya Subhaprade. Vayo Putroham Akhila Pranabhotasya Sobhane. So I am Vayuputra. Pranabhota. I am like a life force. Tatsrutva Janaki Praha Hanumantam Krutanjalim Vanaranam Manushyanam Sangatir Ghatate Kadham. How the monkeys, Vanaras and Manushyas, there are two different jatis. How the Sangati, how these people will become together, Kadham. Yathatvam Ramachandrasya Dasohamati Bhashase Tamaha Maruti Prito Janakim Purtastitaha. So if you are the Ramachandra's Dasa, how I can believe it? Rushyamuka Madagramaha Sabaryanodita Sudhi Sugrivo Rushyamukasto Drushtavan Rama Lakshmanaha. So he is answering. Rama came to Rushyamuka. He met Sabari. Then Sabari has directed her to come to Sugriva. Then he came. then I only made them friends. Brahmachari punardrutva gatoham Ramasannidhim. I became like a brahmachari and went to Rama Sannidhi. Jnatva Ramasya sadbhavam skandhopari nidhayatav. Then after understanding Rama's view, understanding who he is, I put him on my shoulders and take him there. Netva Sugriva Samipyam Sakhyam cha karavam tayau. I only made them friends. Sugrivasya hruta bharya valinatam raghuttamaha. So Sugriva's bharya has been abducted by Vali, or forcefully taken away by Vali. Nitva Sugriva Samipyam Sakhyam Chakaratayau. Sugrivasya hruta bharya Jaghanekena banena tato rajyebhyashechayat. So having heard this, he has given a punishment to Vali with one bana and made Sugriva king there. Gachantan Raghava Društva Mama Bhashata Sadaram. So he then Sugrivam Vanaranam Sapreshayamasa Vanaran. So Sugriva sent all as Vanaras in all directions. I came here. Gachantan Raghava Društva Mama Bhashata Sadaram. Tvai Karyam Asesham me Sthitam Marutanandanaha Bruhitam Kushalam Sarvam Sitayai Lakshmanasya cha Anguliyakam me tanme Parignyayarthamuttamam. So he gave this Anguliyakam, this ring, which is his name is written on it. Ramanamankita Tvai Karyam Ashesham Sthitam Bruhime Kusalam Sarvam Sitayai Lakshmanasya cha Anguliyakame tatme Sitayai Diyatam Sadhu. So he gives a mudra. He gives a Raja Mudrika of Rama to Sita, saying that I am coming from Rama, so I have this secret key or whatever, which was given by Rama to give it to you. Ityukta pradadau mahyam karagrad anguliyakam prayatnena mayanitam devi pasyanguliyakam. Ityukta pradadau devyau mudrikam marutatmajaha namaskurtya stito durat baddha anjali puto harihi. So he bowed down to her, gave that, and come little far and stood there. Društva Sita Pramudita Ramanakam Kitam Tada Drikam Sirasa Drutva Sravanananda Netraja Kape me Pranadatatvam Buddhimanapi Raghave Bhaktosi Priyakaritvam Viswasastosi Tatraivahi. So he has she believed in him. Nochet Mat Sanidhim Chanyam Purusham Preshayat Katham Hanuman Drushtamakhilam Mama Dukkhadhikam Tvaya. So you should be very believed by Rama. So he gave this and sent you to search me. Sarvam Kadhaya Ramaya Yadhame Jayate Taya Masadvaya avadhi pranah stapyanti mama sattama. So 2 months is the only time which is there. Masadvaya avadhi, 1 rutukala is there. Na agamishyati jadramo bhakshayishyati mankhalaha atra sreghram kapindrena sugrivena samanvitaha. So you go back and explain my situation to him and tell him that he has to come and retrieve me within 2 months period. So all that discussion goes on. So then Sita gets a doubt. Samaneshyati devitvam ayodhyam natrasantayah tamah janaki ramam kadham varidhimatatam. So how Rama will cross this ocean? So it is very difficult to cross this ocean. So what will happen? Then Hanuman shows his original Rupa. So he shows his big form, saying that all the Vanaras, we have all these capabilities, we can come, all the people are more powerful than me, all Samasvasvyasa Vaidehim. So he makes her believe that the thing is going. So he is doing the Duta's work. So Duta, so he establishes the identity, he actually establishes confidence, then gives a positive news. Then he says, now you give me something so that I can tell him I met Sita, and also if you can give some abhijnana, that guaranteed that I can go back and tell Rama that this is what Sita told me, something Sita only knows. So he is using a passcode or to get the confidence of Rama again. Once going back, Rama has to believe that Sita has been seen. So he is collecting some evidence. So she gives the Chodamani, and also she tells the Kakasura Vrittanta, saying that this is what has happened. Sarasara Samaraike Sura Saradhimada Vidara. So Rama, a Kakasura coming and poking at Sita, a wound is formed on her, blood starts oozing off her. And seeing this, waking up, Rama is sleeping, putting his head in her lap. And then this Kakasura, who is none other than Indra's son, has been sent to test what will make Rama angry. So going and trying to harm Sita is the biggest thing they figure out. Then he uses a small shara, blade of grass, and puts Brahmastra on it and leaves it on this kaki. Then of this crow goes around everywhere, nobody can save her. Comes back to Rama and he takes one eye and leaves because any astra put by Rama cannot go waste, so it will hit something. So all that information she gives Kakasura Vrittanta. Then Janaki then he says, now I have Drushtva Sita Hanumantam Mahaparvata Sannibham Harshena Mahatavishta Prahatam Kapi Kunjaram Samardhosi Mahasatva Drakshantitvam Mahabalam Rakshasastve Subhapandha Gacha Ramantikam Drutam. So she gives him order to can go back. Tadhedyukta Janakya Bhakshaistva Phalankapihi Tatah Prastapito Gachat Janakim Pranipatyasa Kichudduradhagamato, all the way I have come here. Now I have Karyardhamagato Dota Swami Karya Virodhata. So now I can fulfill my hunger. I have completed my work, so I will eat a bit of fruit here. Anyway, I came all the way here. I will just show my little power to the people here and then go. He will think. So he will think about, as a Dota I came, so I have completed my task. But if I do something more, that is good. So what I will do is, he starts breaking all those things there, eating in the Asokavana has been Asokavana Bhanjanam. Then these Rakshasas wake up. So all this discussion is happening, Rakshasas are asleep. So it is Moha, time of Moha, mid of the night, everybody is asleep. There this Guru Sishya, Janaki is Sishya, Guru is Hanuman. So for Janaki is Devi, Sishya is Hanuman. Both at the same time, Guru and Sishya, you can put any side and see this whole thing which happens at Darsana. A Sakshatkara of Guru and Guru Tattvam. So he assures, Janaki gets all that she has realized that Rama is there, Rama is going to come save her, so all her soka is gone. So protection has come. By Guru arriving there or Hanuman arriving there, protection has come. So they have started asking Janaki, who is this Vanara who came and destroying all these things? Then she says, Bhavatya eva jananti mayam rakshasa nirmitam nahamenam vijanati dukkha somaka samakula. How do I know I am weeping here? All this mayas you people only will know. Yutyuktva tvaritam gatva rakshasyo bhayapiditaha. So all the Rakshasas became very worried, very afraid of this Vanara, who is like Merumandara Sankasam, is having a huge body, is destroying everything. Then one by one he has sent his Sena, all the Sena has been killed, then he sent Sapta Mantri Sutas, then Panchasena Gragan, Hatva Sapta Mantri Sutanapi, Sora Makshancha Nishpishya, Grahanam Samupagamat. So finally his son only, Akshakumara, is a youngest son of Ravana. he has come, he kills with just trees. He pulls out a tree and hits them and kill them. So he padapaischa samasya. So he don't need any only stone and trees are used in the yuddha. That is Vanaras yuddha. Then finally Indrajit will come and use a Brahmastra to tie down Hanuman. And Brahmastra binds Hanuman temporarily. Hanuman has the boon from all the astras, all the adhipatis of astras. None of them can do anything. So Hanuman on his own, respecting the Brahmastra, gets caught, because he has to go and see Ravana also. That is the easier way to be caught and taken there. So so the Vayuputra is been caught by Indrajit and taken to Srighram Brahmastramadaya Badhva Vanarapungavam Vinaya Nikatam Rajnyo Ravanasya Mahabalaha Yasya Nama Satatam Japantiye Jnana Karma Kruta Bandhanam Kshanat Satyayeva Parimucha Tatpadam Yanti Koti Vibhasuram Sivam. So he started praying to the Rama. Tasyeva Ramasya. So who is prayed by Sivam? Yanti Koti Vibhasuram Sivam. Yasya Nama Satatan Japantiye Jnana Karma Kruta Bandhanam Kshanat Sadyayeva Parimucha Tatpadam Yanti Kotira Vibhasuram Sivam. Tasyaiva Ramasya Padambujam Sada Hrutpadmadhye Sunidaya Marutihi Sadaiva Nirmukta Samasta Bandhanaha Kim tasya spasir ritaraischa bandhanaihi. So these two slokas are 99 and 100th sloka of the third sarga, last two slokas of third sarga of Adhyatma Ramayana, which says a very interesting connotation of this bandhana. So one who keeps Rama in the heart, whose name is kept by Shiva in his heart, and which is having the power of removing all the bondage of this whole samsara, such a person, which bandhana can hit him? So Yasya Nama Satatan Japantiye Ajnana Karma Kruta Bandhanam Kshanat Sadyayeva Parimucha Tatpadam Yanti Kotira Vibhasuram Sivam. Tasyaiva Ramasya Padambujam Sada Hrutpadma Madhye Sunudhaya Marutihi Sadaiva Nirmukta Samasta Bandhanaha Kim Tasya Pasair Itaraischa Bandhanaihi. So such name is established in Maruti's heart. What other pasha can bind him? No other pasha can bind him. So with this conclusion, as explained by Shiva himself in the Sundarakanda, the first three sargas we have completed. So covered a lot of stuff as in our time today. So today is a very auspicious Ashtami Tithi of Jyeshta Masa. So first 10 days of Jyeshta Masa is Ganga Dasara. So the Dasya Papa Hara Dasami is going Ashtami, Navami and Dasami. 2 days down the line we will get to the Dasya Papa Hara Dasami. 10 types of papas or pasas, all these bandhanas, what bind us to, are obstacles to see the reality, are the papas, pasas. So this Hanuman getting caught is only figurative. He has to be caught to be, in the same way the Guru, Hanumat Sarupa Guru, appears to be caught within the body, mind and intellect, but none of them binds a Guru, because the Guru has kept the Ramanamas, Rama's Rupa, Rama's Tattva in the heart always. Such a Guru, bowing down to such a Guru, స్వస్తి ప్రజాభ్య పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన మార్గేణ మహిం మహిషాః గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్యः శుభమస్తు నిత్యం లోకాः సమస్తాः సుఖినో భవంతి. స్వస్తి.